Do you live in an expensive area like California, New York, or DC? Trust me, I get you. I started investing when I was 26 and living in New York City. Even a cardboard box was $1 million there. So I couldn't afford anything and I had to look elsewhere. Only one problem. I knew nothing about the rest of the country. So I needed to come up with a process that made me feel confident about where I was going to invest. One that used data so it was clear if a city was a good place to invest or not. So here's what you can do. First, you want to find the crime rate. Go to citydata.com, search your city, then find the crime rates. Second, you're going to want unemployment rates. Go to citydata.com again, search your city, and find the unemployment rate. Third is population growth. Go to usa.com/rank, search your city, and you'll take the rate here. Fourth, go to zillow.com/research/data. Under home values, click city, then click download. On the spreadsheet, search your city, go over to the last column, write that down. Fifth, search your city and copy the average rent. Then go to Smart Asset using the URL right here, search your city and copy the county tax rate. Then go to this map, URL on screen, write down the score for your state. You're going to want to write this all on a spreadsheet like this one. Repeat this process for every city you have available. Then you want to compare all of the data and pick the cities with the best score. But let's say you don't want to do all this work and you want me to do it for you. I'm creating a product where you type in how much money you have and what you're looking for, and it finds the best cities for you to invest in. Hit that follow button to stay updated till I launch it.